Keeping your home clean just got smarter. Meet the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus, the robot vacuum that not only cleans your floors but also empties itself. Here's what makes it stand out. The Clean Base automatic dirt disposal system can hold up to 60 days of dirt and dust, meaning you truly don't have to think about vacuuming for months. But beyond convenience, the Roomba i7 Plus learns your home. With smart mapping, it memorizes your floor plan, so you can tell it to clean a specific room, like just the kitchen after dinner, using the iRobot app or even voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. What many people don't realize is that the i7 Plus uses Imprint's smart mapping technology, which not only remembers your home layout, but also recognizes different floor types, automatically adjusting suction power for carpets and hard floors. It's also designed with a premium 3-stage cleaning system and high-efficiency filter, capturing 99% of pollen, dust mites, and pet allergens. Perfect if you have pets, allergies, or just want to clean a home without lifting a finger. With iRobot's advanced tech, the Roomba i7 Plus is more than just a vacuum. It's peace of mind, convenience, and smarter cleaning for your everyday life.